Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. Today I've got something super exciting for you guys because L'Oreal has launched a new hair product. Now, this hair product is called hair makeup and it's housed under Colorista. It's not hair dye, it's not semi-permanent, it's not permanent, it's literally makeup but for your hair. So it lasts for 1 day, it washes out with shampoo, and yeah, I'm super excited to give this a go and reveal it to you guys. So I'm going to be creating an under the sea mermaid look for you guys today, obviously, and these are the 3 hair makeup Colorista shades that I'm going to be using. So I've got lilac hair, cobalt hair and metallic blue hair. So these are the 3 shades. And yeah, let's get started. So they do say on the kit that you need to just cover up. I've just got a little kind of hair colouring wrap around here, so I'm all protected. Just gonna get all my hair out. As you can see, my hair's already got a nice kind of mermaid wave to it already. If you want to know how to do that, I will pop a link below to a previous video. And yeah, I'm literally gonna be using 3 colours on my hair today, and I'm just gonna be taking strands, blending in the colour, starting from the bottom and working my way up. Now, you do need a comb or a brush for this, which I've got both here. And yeah, that is literally just that when you apply the colour and blend it upwards, you need to just comb or brush it through just so it kind of blends in and applies to more of the hair. And yeah, this stuff is really pigmented, so it's going to be super bright, and yeah, you can just have fun with it and mess around. And yeah, I'm just going to be applying it to the ends of my hair and working my way upwards to create a kind of like ombre under the sea mermaid look. And yeah, I'm super excited to get going. So I've got the 3 colours here. I'm going to be starting with the lilac hair and then working my way onto the blue colours, and then yeah, I'm just going to be taking strands one by one and kind of just randomly putting the colour on the ends. I just want a really cool textured kind of mermaidy look. And yeah, you don't need gloves for this, so yeah, let's get started. She love my size, but I know for Reebok. Grip her with the wet split whenever I heal her. So guys, this is the finished look. What do you all think? I am literally loving this. The hair makeup was so easy to apply. It blended really well. I really liked using the comb actually. I felt like that really did actually help. As you can see, it took me quite a while to apply the 3 colours, but if you're only applying one colour and you feel like the hair makeup hasn't dried by the time you've finished your hairstyle, then all you need to do is just grab a hairdryer, blow dry your hair, dry it quickly, and you are set to go. My hair does feel a tiny little bit dry, and they do say that in the instructions, and it does say that if you feel like it is a little bit too dry, you can add some hair oil into your hair. But me being me, I love like a messy kind of textured look, and I feel like this hair makeup has kind of just added a lot of texture into my hair. It's kept a little bit of the curls, but as I said, because I've got texture, I can kind of just run my fingers through the hair makeup and kind of just give it a bit of volume, which I absolutely love because I feel like my head is small, and I always just like my hair being a bit more voluminous. And yeah, I couldn't believe how well it washed off of my hands as well, like especially that cobalt blue, because that was super dark. But yeah, I'm literally loving it. It's so fun to like play around, and like this will just wash out now tonight when I wash my hair with shampoo. So yeah, the collection comes with so many shades. There is an endless amount of hairstyles and things that you could do with the colours. So yeah, be sure to keep watching my videos because I am definitely going to enjoy playing around with the shades this summer, I can tell, especially for the festival season. But yeah, I've popped links below if you are interested in the products. Please give this video a thumbs up if you loved it. Don't forget to subscribe. Any comments about the products or anything, please leave them below as well. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.